Welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, already we have started with our word problems in our last session. Let us continue with the remaining examples. So let us start. So children, here our example. A car can travel 60 km in 1 hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? In 1 hour, 60 km. In 3 hours, how many kilometer? So, 1 hour is equal to 60 kilometer. 3 hours is equal to 60 multiplied by 3. So, arrange in the vertical form. 60 multiplied by 3. So, 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18. So, here we get the answer 180. Hence, a car travel in 3 hours is equal to 180 kilometer. Okay, according to question, you have to write the given part. A tree has 62 leaves. How many leaves are there in 7 such trees? Means one tree has 62 leaves. Like that, 7 trees having how many leaves? So, leaves in a tree is equal to 62. Leaves in 7 trees is equal to 62 multiplied by 7. In one tree, 62 leaves are there. So, in 7 trees, how many leaves are there? So, 62 multiplied by 7. 7 twos are 14. Carry 1. You have to write in the tens place upside. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus add 1 carry 43. So, or you can write hence 434 leaves are there in 7 trees. Okay, understood? Our next example, children. A factory makes 58 toys in a day. Means in one day, 58 toys a factory can make. How many toys can be made in 6 days? So, in 6 days, how many toys can be made? So, in one day, factory makes how many toys? 58 toys. 58 toys. In 6 days, factory makes toys is equal to 58 multiplied by 6. So, arrange in a vertical form 58 multiplied by 6. 58 multiplied by 6. So, 6 8s are 48. 8 write downside, 4 write upside in the carry in the tens place. Now, 6 5s are how much, children? 6 5s are 30. 30 plus carry 4, 34. You have to add the carry. So, here we get the answer 348. So, you can write hence 348 toys made by the factory in 6 days. Anyhow, you can write the given part and hence part, but the meaning should be same. You can write hence 348 toys made by the factory in 6 days, or you can write in 6 days a factory made 348 toys. Anyhow, but the meaning should same. Okay. Our next example. In a class, there are 60 students. In one class, how many students are there, children? 60. Each student require 8 notebooks. So, each student require how many notebooks? 8 notebooks. How many notebooks need to fulfill the demands? So, here we have to write students in a class. How many students are there in a class? 60. Each students requires notebooks. How many notebooks require? 8. Notebooks needed by 60 students. How many notebooks need? 60 multiplied by 8. So write in the vertical form 60 multiplied by 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 6s are 48. Hence, notebooks needed by 60 students is equal to 480. How many? 480. Okay, children, understood? Now, here our next example, children. A candle factory produces 55 candles in a day, means in one day. How many candles will this factory produce in 6 days? So let us write first a given part. Candles produced in one day is equal to 55. Candles produced in 6 days is equal to 55 multiplied by 6. So 55 multiplied by 6. 6 5s are 30. So carry 3, write in the tens place upside here, and again 6 5s are 30. Plus 3, add the carry, that is 33. So hence, candles produced in 6 days is equal to 330. How many candles produced in 6 days, children? 330. Understood? Okay. Now, here our next example, children. There are 78 buttons in a packet. In a packet means in one packet. How many buttons are there? 78. Find the number of buttons in 8 such packets. So, let us write given part. Buttons in a packet is equal to 78. Buttons in 8 packets is equal to 78 multiplied by 8. So arrange in the vertical form. 78 multiplied by 8. 8 8s are, children. 8 8s are 64. So 4 write downside and 6 carry forward to the tens place. Now 8 7s are how much? 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 6. How much? 62. So you are writing the answer here. 624. So you have to write hands, buttons in 8 packets is equal to 624. It means in 6 packets 624 buttons are there. So children, you people have to write here proper units according to the question. You have to write in the hands answer. Do the multiplication properly, and main thing here you require table should be perfect. Okay. So I hope children, you people have understood today's word problems based on multiplication. Go through all the problems, practice it, and today we'll wind up our session here. Next time with new topic. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe. Take care children.